This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Feedback, I have some another way of not non-technical things. If we reach out to your manager, some of your non-technical skills that your team or the other team member as part of the cross-functional team have been relying on you, that we, before we hire you, we want to be aware of it, so we can actually use those skills in our environment. So again, it's not the technical, it is non-technical skills that we can know right away, so we can start leveraging your skills when you join with us.
Yeah, so basically I work with the team all the time. So as I'm a DevOps engineer, so I always need to work with not just my team. I need to work with the devs. I need to work with the product managers to understand the requirements that, okay, we need to do this in terms to release this software. So I need to actually proactively reach out to all of them and ask them, okay, if we do this, then this will happen. Do you accept this scenario or not? Okay, if we are in this situation, what will happen? So if this is a sensitive client we are deploying for, we basically ask for a longer maintenance window, okay, because if something happens, so that we can have more time to look at it. So I need to reach out to my CDO as well, so that they can actually manage the expectations of the client, so that, okay, if something goes wrong, we can have enough time to actually fix that. Okay, so for that reason, I always need to go through the CDO, the product managers, the dev team, sometimes the front end, sometimes the back end, and then sometimes the security team as well, to if I get a bug or something, I always reach out to them. And
Right.
then sometimes we have some conflicts as well between the teams, so I can actually I always go talk to them, not in the chat. I always invite them in a video call, so that we can talk face to face. And sometimes text actually creates some sort of confusions. They don't understand the tone. Sometimes I am offended, sometimes they are offended by a tone. So whenever I see something like this, I always try to have a resolution to a conflict, so that, yeah, we are a team, so we shouldn't have any conflicts between us. So I always do a video call with them, just to check up on them, to see if they are offended on that specific situation, if I feel like it. So
Sure.
yep, this
So
is what I do.
So I took the teamwork, the proactiveness, engaging the right team, and then the communicate, avoid the chat or email communication, but have set up a meeting and hear
Yes.
one another and clarify things to calm down the situation and move on. All right, great. That is amazing.